Hi everyone, this is Christina within the garden, and today we are going to put our lavender in. It's actually the 8th of November, so we are pretty far along in the year, but that's okay because this can go in there as long as the ground is not too hard. So this is the lavender here. That's the lavender I had planted before, and I think I've said in previous videos we planted 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 in this area, and only that one made it, but that one did incredibly well. So we have 8 more, and I'm going to grab these and we're going to plant them. You can tell that the soil, at least the first couple inches, is really soft. So I'm losing my light, so I'm going to do this on a time lapse because I need to make it really quick because it's after work and we never have a lot of time for these projects. So I'm going to make it quick. So lavender hedge all the way around. This is Sensational Lavender, and in future videos what I can do is show you guys how to cut your lavender down to the ground so it doesn't create those woody stalks. So let's take a look. I'm going to use my auger. So these augers will run a pilot hole into the ground, make it super quick. We'll pop those in. You could even add some biotone fertilizer. I don't have any right now, so I might add it back to the soil surface at a later time, but I'm going to go ahead and get this going. Okay, so let me show you the end result. On our time lapse, it was about 30 seconds. In real life, I think it was probably like 10 minutes. So it is still fast to use augers, but let me show you what it looks like. So we've got 2 on this side. Here's where I was kind of drawing our stopping point, was for it to go all the way around and stop kind of right there. So 1, 2, and I placed them in a little bit so that they can grow big like this. I moved the bear. Put it there, 2, 3. So we're at 2, 4 across the, well, technically that's 2, but that one's the 3rd. So 3, 4, and 3. All right, let's go to that bed. All right, we got all 8 in. So 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 4. How many did I have? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's right. I ordered 18, 9 on each side. Okay, so now that all 9 are in on this side of the bed, let me show you. They are small, but I think they'll be fine. I'm crossing my fingers because I did have really only 1 on either side that made it. I bought it from Fast Growing Trees and they do have a guarantee, but you have to turn it in a period of time. I think it's the first year and I didn't. So if you're worried about that, don't worry. They do have a guarantee. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay. That guy was super tiny. I'm worried about that one because it was small when it got here versus this one. See how that one's so much more full? So that better survive. Then this has really gotten so big. And these are the blooms. Let me see if I can grab one for you. So they have these really long stems that come off of the plant like this, and then the bloom panicles right here. This is just the foliage canopy that's left. And this one started out that size. This is 2 years old for sure. I don't think it's 3 years old. So 1, 2, old one. So that's 4. I knew that was going to happen actually. So I think I'm going to move that one real quick, the little guy, because I forgot that as a marker to count. And let me show you. So, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This ended up with 4. And technically that one counts as the front row. I don't know, maybe I'll think about it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the front row. We have this huge, ugly thing right here. So that splits the front bed a little. And so we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So let me think about this. I might move one of those over here to here, or I just might buy some new ones. Not new ones, but an additional. So that was it. Just a quick chore. And the lights are coming on, which means it's dark outside. This is Christina within the garden. I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks so much.